progress in my bedroom, so I figured I'll give you guys a quick tour, and if you want to see everything in details, you can check out the makeover videos on my YouTube channel. Starting here with this dresser from IKEA that I stained and changed the knobs to. This mirror is from IKEA as well, and I have a display here of some jewelries and other cute stuff. This is another IKEA hack. This is the rust, and I stained it, did this texture art on the drawers, and added some gold hardware. The bed, you guessed it, another IKEA furniture. I stained it the same color as the big dresser, and the sheets and most of the pillows are from IKEA as well. This one is not an IKEA furniture. This one I actually made from scratch at a woodwork class that I took. And right here above the bed is the crown jewel, the newest thing, the things that I love the most. I literally wake up every morning, look up, and just love it. It is gorgeous, it is dreamy, it's my favorite thing in the room right now, and I loved working on it too. Here we have some windows, curtains are from IKEA. Laundry basket, baskets for pillows and blankets, a chair, and another art that I made this week. It's like this cute texture art. You can check out all the details on my YouTube.